Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
A very good afternoon to all of you present here today. We, the principal and teachers of the PSBB Millennium School OMR, are very pleased and happy to host our first virtual award ceremony. This award ceremony is held to acknowledge and honor the achievements of our brilliant students who have made their teachers, the school, and their parents immensely proud. We are gathered here today not just to celebrate their achievements, but also to give due regard to values such as discipline and the zeal for learning that our awardees have exemplified. Let us begin the ceremony by invoking the blessings of the Almighty. I call upon Harshita Deepak of 7B to render the prayer song.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Thank you, Harshita. I now request Mrs. Priyanka to deliver the welcome address.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, Priyanka.
Yeah. Thank you, Harshita. That was truly divine. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. A warm welcome to all who have gathered here today. I, Priyanka Singh, Class 6 teacher, take great pleasure in welcoming you all to the award ceremony for the 6th graders of the academic year 2019-20. It is my pleasure to welcome our beloved school principal, Mrs. Rukmani Sridharan, all the encouraging parents, and our dear students. Never stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place. That is the unique you. Have an aim in life, continuously acquire knowledge, work hard, and have perseverance to realize a great life. Quoted by Sir APJ Abdul Kalam. On this note, I feel honored to be recognizing along with the other teachers the hard work, dedication, and perseverance of the students via their achievements. Without further ado, let us commence the ceremony by the announcement of the class toppers. Over to you, Yamni ma'am.
Thank you, Priyanka. We will now move on to the official ceremony. The students have been awarded the prestigious All-Rounder Award and the Subject Topper Award for the academic year 2019-20. We'll begin with Class 6A. We request all the students to stay until the end of the award ceremony for a quick photo at the end. Srividya ma'am, could you start sharing, please? So we begin with Class 6A, the all-rounders for Class 6A for the academic year 2019-2020. Sanjay S. We then have Diya M of 6A also getting the all-rounder prize. And we had Snehal Roy Chowdhury of Class 6A getting the all-rounder prize. Moving on to the subject toppers, we have Sanjay S of 6A topping in English language, Diya M topping in English literature, Diya M topping in Hindi, second language, Sanjay S topping again in math, Snehal Roy Chowdhury for topping in science, and Sanjay S for social science. Congratulations to all the subject toppers and the all-rounders. We move on to class 6B. The coveted all-rounder prize goes to Harshita Deepak, Ritika Antarvedi, Diya V. Kamath, and Madhumita R of 7B, or 6B, sorry. Moving on to the subject toppers of last year's 6B. We have Harshita Deepak, topic in English, language and literature. We also have a topping in second language Hindi. We have Ritika Antarvedi topping in math. Madhumita R topping in science. And Ritika again topping in social science. Congratulations to the subject toppers and the all-rounders. Move on to 6C. We have Naveen Venkatesh for the coveted all-rounder prize, followed by Shashwat M, Jitesh S as the all-rounder, and lastly Shruti M for the all-rounder prize. We move on to the subject toppers. We have Naveen Venkatesh topping in English language and in literature. We have Shruti M topping in second language Tamil. Naveen Venkatesh topping again in math. Naveen Venkatesh topping in science. Naveen Venkatesh topping in social science also. Congratulations, winners of class 6C. We move on to 6D. For the all-rounder, we have Haswantika GP. And we have Yugandhara of 6D winning the all-rounder prize. We'll move on to the subject toppers. Dhriti S tops in English language and in English literature. As for the second language Tamil, we have Haswantika GP topping in Tamil. Yuvamitran C topping in math. Dhriti again for science. And Dhanishta Darshini for social science. Congratulations to the winners. Moving on to 6E, the all-rounder prize goes to Shruti V, Dikshita R, Piyush Patnaik, Shruti, and going on to the subject toppers, we have Shruti V topping in English language, Dikshita topping in English literature, Akshara Ashok topping in second language Sanskrit, Shruti V topping in math, Dikshita R topping in science, and lastly, Akshara Ashok topping in social science. We congratulate all the winners of class 6E. Now the super topper goes to Harshita Deepak of class 6B. She has topped across the 5 sections, making her the super topper of class 6 for the academic year 2019-2020. Can we have a big round of applause for all the winners across the sections? Thank you very much. The subject toppers and the all-rounders may collect their trophies from school. Srividya ma'am, could you move to the next slide? Yeah. They can collect their trophies and certificates from school on Thursday, 25th March, between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m. Thank you very much. I would like our principal, Mrs. Rukmani Sridharan, to address the students and the parents. Over to you, ma'am.
Mrs. Yamini, just give me a minute. I'll be joining in another 2 minutes. Okay.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
இல்ல நான் அதுலயும் போடல. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Yeah, it's very nice to see all of you here on this platform. Although we have delayed it, but yet we were able to do it. So we are really very happy about it. Congratulations to all the awardees who have won, subject toppers and the all-rounders. For all the others, you can continue your efforts and you can aim to win subject toppers and all-rounders award in the upcoming years. And for your information, we are definitely not going to give any award for the academic year 2021. The reason being, all our sessions were online and all our assessments were online. So we really do not know the authenticity of the marks that many students have scored. So because we took a call that we are not going to be awarding for the year 2020-21 because they were all virtual sessions, we took a call that we will encourage and motivate our students and give for the academic year 2019-20. So we hope that things will fall into normalcy and all of you will be back in school by June, hopefully, with the grace of the Almighty. And we can still have one more award ceremony for the upcoming academic year 2021-22. Thank you very much, Yamini, Priyanka, and all the other teachers who have done the background work. And the teachers will be announcing the day and the date and the timings on which the awardees can come to the school and collect their trophy and the certificate. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for those encouraging words. Children, I repeat again, we can come, all of you can come on Thursday, 25th March, to collect your awards and certificates between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m. Okay, I would now request the all-rounders and subject toppers of each section to turn on their video, along with the teachers who handle that section for a quick photo. Ma'am, could you please stay on the call too? We can click a picture. Students of 6A only. Students of 6A, please turn on your videos. Thank you. Got it. Thank you and congratulations again. Students of 6B, could you please turn on your videos for a quick photo with the teachers who have handled that section? Vritika, your video is not seen.
Ma'am, for me it is turned on, ma'am.
Oh, we are not able to see it. Yuva Mitran, come next. Turn off your video for now. It's only 6B. Thank you.
Sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am, your video is missing. Thank you. Congratulations to all of you. We'll move on to class 6C. Thank you. Congratulations. Class 6D, please turn on your videos. Only the two of you. What happened to Haswantik? Ah, okay.
Ma'am, I on my video.
You turned it on. Okay. Smile. Got it. Thank you. Congratulations again. 6E students, please turn on your videos with the teachers who handled that class. Are there any more who could turn on their videos for this 6E? Thank you. Ma'am, we are done with the photos.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you, parents. Thank you, students, for being here today. We'll have Mrs. Debelina give a very formal vote of thanks. Over to you, Debelina.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible? Hello,
Yes,
Yamini,
Deba,
ma'am.
loud and clear. Yes.
Yeah. I take this opportunity to thank our respected principal, madam, for this great idea of felicitating the students in this, even in this pandemic situation. Thank you, parents and everyone who are present here to make this meeting a grand success. Thanks, everybody. Thank you, Yamini, ma'am, for hosting the show. Thank you.
Thank you, Deba. I once again thank Principal Ma'am and all the teachers who have worked for this. And thank you, students and parents, for being here on time today and help us celebrate this grandly. Thank you. Have a great day, all of you.
Why don't
Bye-bye.
we announce the date and the day when they can come to the school and collect the trophy?
Ma'am, I told them, ma'am, that they can come on Thursday, 25th March, between 10 and 12 p.m.
Okay. You can
It's
also
all, it was all,
post them in the
yes.
class group so that it is clear to them.
Sure, ma'am, will do.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, everyone.
எண்ணம் தானா
Ma'am, can we leave the meeting?
Yes, Shruti, all of you can leave the meeting.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, bye. So Snehal, Pratika, and Rehan, you can also leave the meeting. Pratika, you can leave the meeting. Pratika, are you there?